Hi guys, this is Mamta from Wipro Overseas Services. So before starting with this today's subject, please subscribe and like my channel for the further updates. So today we are going to speak about the Canada study process step by step and what are the documents required. Initially, we can apply for the Canadian study visa under two category. Which are those category? You can apply under SDS and non-SDS. In the later stage of this video, I will tell what is SDS and non-SDS category. Initially, the process starts by knowing the candidate profile. Since if you are a recent passed out, in those cases, you no need to worry about your resume or work experience document. You can straight away apply for your preferred university or college with your academic documents and IELTS certificate. IELTS certificate is most important before starting with the Canadian study visa process. Please try to clear your IELTS examination. This is the mandatory certificate which is required for applying for any university or the college. So then next comes how many types of students are applying for the Canadian study visa. There are three types of the students which are applying for the Canadian study visa. First one is of students who have completed their 12th, and second type of the students who have completed their masters and bachelors of 3 or 4 years or 2 years of masters. And next comes the mature students who are having 10 to 15 years of experience. Firstly, I like to speak about the students who have completed the 12th in India and like to pursue their higher studies in Canada. Firstly, the students who have completed 12th in India can do their PG diploma of 2 years in Canada, and they can also try for UG degree of 4 years in Canada. And this next comes the bachelor's degree of 3 or 4 years if they have completed in India. So the students who have completed their bachelor's in India are having the multiple options. They can go for their UG diploma or masters or MBA or MTech or MS. I always suggest my students to apply for the higher choice of program. Like if you are bachelor's of 3 to 4 years, I recommend to apply for their PG diploma or masters from the visa point of view. The initial counseling is very important from the visa point of view, and the right choice of program is very important. Once the program is been selected, the location of the program matters a lot. I always suggest to go for your requirement rather than your interest. You may be interested to go it for the big city or nearest places, but your profile is suited for any remote places or something like that. Please try to go according to your requirement rather than your interest. Next comes how to apply for the University of Canada college. Next comes how to apply for the university or the college. What is the application fee? The Canada application fee ranges from $0 to $200. Some university or college have got a zero application fee, and some have got application fee waiver. It all depends upon your profile and your choice of program and university, and it all depends upon university and the college and your right choice of the program. Next comes what are the documents you may need to apply along with your application. So you should apply along with your 10th, 12th, UG degree, PG degree, experience, resume, passport, and IELTS certificate while applying along with the application. And what are the documents to require to apply for the masters? It is important you should apply along with your SOP and the letter of recommendation. And letter of recommendation, if you are a fresher, you can apply with the letter of recommendation which is of academic, and if you are having some years of experience, it is advised to apply with two LOE and letter of recommendation and one professional. So once you receive a LOE from your preferred university or college, what is your next step? You need to pay 1 year tuition fee for your respective university or college and GIC of 10,000 Canadian dollar, which is fixed for 1 year. And after that paying, you need to prepare for your SOP. What are the documents required for preparing of SOP? It is required your family documents, family background documents, and your financial documents and your academic documents. And what is SDS? If you are scoring the above 6 band, you are considered are under XDS. If you are scoring and if you are scoring below 5.5 and below 6, you are considered under non-SDS category. So try to always apply under the SDS category to receive the highest successful visa rate. After that, you should log into your GC. After logging to your GC, you should go for your medical test. After that, you can lodge your visa by filing your application and by paying your $150, and biometric fee is of $85. After lodging your visa, you can go for your biometrics, which is of $85. and biometrics is valid for 10 years from the date of your biometrics. Suppose if your visa got rejected for this time, you can go for the next, and if you are willing to apply and if you are willing to apply for your Canadian study visa, then in such cases no need to go for your biometric. Since the biometric is valid for 10 years, you can straight away reapply for your Canadian study visa. The entire process you need to follow for applying the Canadian study visa. Thanks for watching my video. Bye.